The visiting group of U.S. youth ambassadors are accompanied by mentor Mandy Matke, who spoke firstly of the U.S. Youth Ambassadors Program.
The program is sponsored by the U.S. State Department and administered by the Partners of the Americas organization within the Western Hemisphere, and specifically in Belize, it's made possible through partnership with the Michigan-Belize Partners chapter organization. The Partners of the Americas is the largest international volunteer network within the Western Hemisphere that promotes social and economic development in the Americas through leadership, voluntary service, and developmental programs. So we have 10 American youth representing Minnesota, New York, Missouri, Kansas, California, and Washington, and we've been traveling within Belize from July 15th, and we will be here through August 5th. The program is designed to foment leadership skills development, to strengthen the capacity of youth to serve their communities, and to work to build mutual understanding of citizens within the Western Hemisphere.
In addition to visiting Toledo, Matke said that the U.S. Youth Ambassadors Group has been very busy with a full program so far in Belize.
Our particular exchange has two sub-themes. One is agribusiness, and the other is youth empowerment and youth engagement. So we've been able to meet with a number of governmental, non-governmental agencies to increase the knowledge of the students' understanding of how these two sub-themes are pervasive within the Belizean culture. In terms of the agribusiness sub-theme, we had occasion to visit the Spanish Lookout community where the students learned about sustainable agriculture. We've also been able to visit Crooked Tree Village and the Cirilla's cacao farm. In terms of youth leadership, we've been able to meet with a number of youth organizations, including Dorothy Menzies Child Care Center, the Yabra Community Center, the Belize Family Life Association, the Youth Advocacy Movement, the Belize Youth Business Trust, Youth for the Future, 4-H Development Center, and the YWCA. In addition, the students have been able to meet with government officials, including the Minister of Education, Youth and Sports, and the Governor General, including the ambassadors, both American and Belizean, in Washington, D.C. and in Belmopan.
According to Matke, the visit to Toledo was as educational and memorable as in other parts of Belize.
Yes, while visiting Toledo, the students were able to engage with Belizean youth at the Machaca Outreach Center, where they stayed overnight. They've also learned about the process of raising and processing organic chocolate at Cirilla Cacao Farm. And one of the things that has consistently impressed the youth is the strong commitment from the Belizean society toward environmental conservation and natural resource management. Upon visiting Tide, they were inspired by the promotion and training of community stewardship and engagement of their most incredible resource, the Belizean youth.
Like their mentor, Mandy Matke, the 10 members of the visiting U.S. Youth Ambassadors Group expressed gratitude to the Belize Michigan Partners as the group's visiting implementing agency in Belize, and all others in Belize who had made their travels to all locations visited very educational, meaningful, and enjoyable. Reporting for Love News, Paul Mahone, Punta Gorda.